some money? I have not forgotten.
Looks like the diversion worked. The truck should be here any moment. Let's get to work. Set up the EMP to stop the truck in its tracks. We're on the clock, people. Approximately 90 seconds until the transport arrives. Make sure the EMP is set up and that no civs escape. Otherwise, we're fucked. All right, let's wait it out.
Careful.
The driver's gonna sound the alarm as soon as they realize what's happened. Be prepared.
Check the sieve.
Why does this have to happen to me?
Hey.
Go away!
Exactly as planned. Let's keep going. The remote steering device gives us control of the vehicle. Place it on the truck. Fuck it. I'm in. This'll take a second. They have security in place to prevent this sort of thing. Never mind the driver. He won't bother us. He's trained to stay in the truck.
Found another.
Cops inbound. Almost there. And bingo!
The hack is done.
Okay, let's get this truck to where we want it.
Sniper, no sniping.
We're gonna move the truck to the ramp on the other side of the construction site. This fucker's hard to crack, but there's a weakness on the underside. You need to stay close to the truck, or I'll lose connection and the truck will stop.
Don't mind the ricochet.
Hostage rescue units are on site.
You understand? Killed the shield. You take Found one! Killed the sniper! Got the shield! I got the sniper!
Nicely done, people. But you know they'll be back, so stay sharp.
Here's another one. Now this is the bee's knees.
Get that fucking forklift out of there! It's right in the truck's path! Police assault incoming, 30 seconds. Watch out, they've got cloakers. Here we go.
Took the goddamn natives. I killed the fucking shield.
Auto leveling.
Got rid of the fucking techie. Sniper, no sniping! Got the fucking cloaker! Right for the fucking zapper!
Finally! Now, open it up! We're not paid by the hour! Get under it! Find the electronics hatch! These vehicles are cutting edge in armored transport, but nothing's entirely secure. The underbelly is this beast's weakness.
I got the sniper! I got the cloaker! The drill's done!
Come on, we're almost in! It's open! Get in there and grab the loot!
Top the nader! Go on, inside! All tanked up, stay in line! I'll bring you down if I have you running defense! Don't even try! Fuck! Goddamn close!
Take a moment to regroup and be ready when they come back. It may feel like you're just lugging bags of pulverized rock, but this is what keeps the world going. Without it, it would be like a Stone Age. Or the 70s. The chopper is ready to haul the loot out of there. Signal Vile when you're ready for pickup.
Sniping!
More cops on the way. They're in 30 seconds. Dozers coming in. Be prepared. Oh, fuck! The FBI agent is here. Shoot the van's antenna to blind her.
We're rich! Killed the cloaker!
All right, Vile is on his way.
got the
Hold
cloaker.
on till he gets there.
Helicopter on approach. I'm on approach. ETA 1 minute.
I got the zapper!
Vile is coming in on the north side of the bridge, the one with the two big buildings.
Watch the cloaker! You'll never get through!
You should be able to see me now. Any second.
Snipers, take it out! I'll bring you down if I have to. You can't win! The shield's dead! Kill the cloaker! Sniper, no sniping!
All right, I'm here. Toss me the loot.
We're not leaving without at least 5 bags. Get to it. That's 1 bag. Three bags and counting. That's 4.
I killed the fucking shield!
I'm having the big gun delivered to you now.
Bloody shield! Data! Kill the fucking data! Shit, what the look at this! Kill the fucking dozer! Got the shield!
Good job. That's 6 bags. That's all of it. Let's get out of here.
Let's get the fuck out of here!
That's 8 bags. Head down along the bridge.
Sniper down! Shit, this is out! bloody cloaker! This way! Go
Keep
down.
moving down the scaffolding, quickly!
I killed the fucking sniper! Found our
There!
ride.
Strap yourselves in and rappel down to the ground!
Fan-fucking-tastic! We actually pulled it off!
That was inspiring. Perfectly executed. And those rare earth elements will give us a lot of cash.
That shit is military grade.